Are you a creator who is Kajabi curious, but the high price tag of Kajabi has been putting you off? Well, it is your lucky day because Kajabi just today have announced a brand new plan that is perfect if you are brand new to online business. You don't have a website, you don't have an email list, you haven't even created a digital product yet, but you are dead keen to get started. You want to start making some money without spending so much money for a platform. Kajabi's brand new Kickstarter plan is here. It is just $69 a month, and you can try out Kajabi for free on this plan for 14 days first to see if this is the right platform for you. Now, if you've been using Kajabi for a while, it's not going to suit because you only get 250 contacts on this plan instead of the 10,000 that you get on the basic plan. So it is really designed for the brand new kind of startup person. But if that's you, this is going to be perfect. So watch on. I'm going to give you all the information about what is included and what isn't. And remember, when you sign up to Kajabi through us, the Unicorn Advisory, we're going to give you an amazing bonus suite to help you get set up. 3 months of support using Kajabi so that you can make the most of it and start making money as soon as possible. And remember as well, you can upgrade this plan at any time. So when you grow out of it, the higher plans are going to be there waiting for you. But to get started without spending so much money in the beginning, this is absolutely perfect. So I'm going to jump into all the details. And remember, if you want to get the info or you want to go and sign up and get our Unicorn Advisory bonuses, all of that startup support, including a one-on-one Kajabi strategy call with me, your friendly Kajabi expert, well, go and sign up through this link that you'll find at theunicornadvisory.com/Kajabi. We love to support you, and we do that by sending a bit of your affiliate commission right back at you in the form of support. But let's go and have a look around Kajabi and see exactly what is included. So get started, $69 a month. So follow the link that you will find on the page. It is going to pop up on that Kajabi page with this special deal. It's just come out today, so it's all very new. And you will then be able to go and sign up and get a 14-day free trial. You can't get other free trials and the $69 deal. So sometimes you might see things like a 30-day trial or a 3 months for $99. You might see offers like that come up. That is for the growth plan. So that is the $199 a month plan. So you can't do a combination. You got to pick what you want. So if you wanted to do the $69 a month plan, you will need to start on that and you will get a 14-day free trial. The good thing is though, is that if you use the free trial and then you use Kajabi for a month, you still have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So you essentially have a month and a half to try out Kajabi and see if it's right for you. If at any time in that first 30 days after you start becoming a paying customer, you decide, you know what, this isn't for me, it doesn't offer enough, it's not what I want, well, you can just ask for a refund and they'll give you your money back. So it is a completely risk-free trial. So I definitely recommend, if you've been considering it, if you've thought about it, if you're like, maybe this is your time to get in and try Kajabi out in this way. So what do you get? You get one digital product. So you get one Kajabi product, and I'm going to show you what that is in a sec. However, you can sell other things through Kajabi because whilst you might get one product, you get unlimited offers. So a lot of the income that I generate through Kajabi is through digital products, but a lot of it is also through digital products like templates. You can run workshops and other things like that where you're not reliant on an actual product. So there are ways that you can grow your business without necessarily needing additional products. So you get one Kajabi product, you get one funnel. And again, funnels are great. However, you can create funnels on Kajabi without the technical funnel area. I usually don't even use the funnel option. I just create my own funnels manually, and it's really easy to do. And I can show you that as well. You get one website. Perfect. You only need one website. So that is one website area. So you can use that for your homepage, about page, contact. You get your library where people can go and see the courses and log into them, etc. Blog. All of that is included, which is awesome because sometimes getting that stuff set up can take a little bit of time. So when you're only paying $69 a month, that can be really helpful. You get 250 contacts. So what that means is email subscribers. Kajabi includes your email marketing without any additional cost. It's one of those aspects of this all-in-one site. So 250 contacts. You do get 10,000 contacts on the higher plan. So once you get above that 250, you are going to need to upgrade. But 250, the first subscribers that you can get can feel like it takes forever to get those subscribers. And it's one of those things that once you start getting subscribers, it will increase, but the first few months can feel a little bit tough to get them. So this gives you a chance to build your list up to 250 subscribers, at which stage, hopefully by then you would be making regular offers and generating some income, and you can continue to grow that list as you grow out of this Kickstarter plan. You get 50 landing pages. That is a heap of landing pages. I cannot imagine any situation where 50 landing pages would not be enough for you, but you've got all of them. That's for signups, for lead magnets. You could, host other information, like you could create different pages for your site, information pages, thank you pages. You got all the pages that you need. So that is pretty fantastic. 50 active customers. So what 50 active customers means is 50 people who you have sold something to or who have access to a free offer. Now on this plan, I wouldn't recommend making a course or a product free, because then you're going to be limited to what you can sell, unless perhaps you're going to use something like a Kajabi community as the product. But even then, you're going to restrict yourself to only 50 people. So I would probably with that, try and make those 50 customers paid customers. So create a paid offer for them, and you get one admin user. So what that means is that you can't add additional team members, but when you're starting out on this plan, you're probably not going to have additional team members. So I can't imagine that is going to be an issue. So your products, what products can you create? Well, you got lots of options in Kajabi. The main thing that people will use Kajabi for is creating courses. Kajabi's courses are absolute best in class. They are fantastic, and it's one of the things that Kajabi is known for. It's one of the reasons many people use Kajabi just for their courses and even host their website elsewhere. If you want a robust platform that can display your course content in an absolutely beautiful way, Kajabi is for you, and one of those products can be a course product. You can make it a small mini course, you can make it a signature program, you can do anything within that course, you just get one. You could use it for a podcast or for coaching, but when you're on this plan, I wouldn't recommend using the podcast or coaching. There's probably alternatives that are going to be a lot better for you in terms of podcast hosting. I think you can get podcast hosting for a sort of $10, $15 a month. So I would use it for something where you would get paid for it rather than a podcast, which may be something that you offer for free. As well with coaching, you could offer coaching. I offer coaching through Kajabi's coaching products, and I love it, but I don't have the restriction of one product. If I was going to offer a coaching offer on this plan, I would probably do it through a third-party scheduling app and take the payment through there, or I would take the payment through a Kajabi offer and then use a free calendar scheduler for actually offering that coaching. And then I wouldn't use the product up for a coaching. So course, awesome. And by course, I just will reiterate, course could also be a membership product. So we have our Unicorn Heroes Kajabi Support membership is a product on Kajabi, but it's actually run through a course product. So course product actually refers to courses or memberships. So you could have a membership site with all of the content in that, and that would count as one course. So, for some people, maybe that's the only offer that they're going to have. So, being able to really test that out and get those first 50 people into your membership could be a fantastic way to use this plan. You could also run a community. Now, Kajabi's community, I am going to be hosting a open week in a few weeks. So if you are interested in that, please do comment and I'll give you all the details so you can register. It's completely free. And we're going to be looking at all of the things that Kajabi have done in community. It is improved from, phenomenally in the last 18 months since they first introduced the Kajabi community product. It is absolute, completely different to how it first started. When it first started, I was like, I don't know, I'm not really loving this. Now it is awesome. You can do a lot of things that you can do in other community products, compared to Facebook, absolutely brilliant. You can even, get notifications through the Kajabi Communities app on your phone, so your members can, communicate with you and take part in the community on the phone. So community could be, a way that you could have that paid product to get started, because you can have up to 50 people in there, so 50 customers. So that could be an option as well. I guess that's just one of those things about being really strategic about what it is, that product that you sell, and is there another way to do it? Like, is there something where you can sell it through Kajabi and actually take the payment and potentially host it elsewhere? So, choosing that product, is, you got options. That's what I want you to know. So you can go through and set those things up really, really easily. I have loads of training of that on my YouTube channel and inside Unicorn Heroes, our Kajabi support membership. And speaking of, you get that 3 months of that for free when you sign up to Kajabi through us. So you have all the training that you need to set these things up. But as well, I just wanted to let you know as well, offers. Offers is essentially your checkout page. It's how you take payment through Kajabi. Now, this is our partner playing around site. So I just wanted to show you in offers, you can make an offer for anything. So generally, when you do create an offer or a checkout, it is going to be tied to your course, membership, coaching, community product, because this checkout is how you actually give your customers access to that. However, you can use your offers for pretty much anything. So you can choose the products that you want to be connected to this, which is, when someone logs into your site, they'll then be able to access that content. But if you remove it, ta-da, you're still able to sell things. You can still sell anything. You could sell an ebook. You could sell a template. So you can actually deliver these things through setting up an automation. So when offer is purchased, then send an email. And in this email, you can actually upload files, and it's going to create a link on the internet to actually deliver that file. So that could be a template pack, it could be a spreadsheet or something, it could be a Notion guide, it could be Canva templates. The sky is the limit. There are so many different things that you could sell that aren't necessarily those course specific products. And you can start doing that and have up to 50 customers on this plan before you need to start paying anything. So this could be a way for you to play around and experiment and see, hey, what are things that I could do? One of the things that I would suggest that is very awesome to do, that does not cost you anything and does not include on your plan, is you could, I'm going to set this automation up again, when the offer is purchased. So this means when someone purchases this, then you could, where are we? Well, register them to an event. So you could actually host an event like a live class on Kajabi and actually sell tickets to that. Even more clever, you could take that live class and then split it up into shorter lessons. So you could set that up so it's ready to be split up, and then sell that as an evergreen mini course. Evergreen meaning that you're selling it over and over again. You're not always having to host it live. So this can be great ways to test out new content, see what people respond to, see what they want to buy. So you could set up this checkout for this event that you're going to run, and hey, if no one registers, no harm, no foul. You can try a different event, try a different topic, see what is going to, what people are going to respond to, and test these offers out. But yeah, that is the fantastic part of, not stressing too much about the type of product. Now, one thing with products, if you're like, I don't even know what product to create, the really good thing is that you can have draft products as well. So you can actually go and create something, play around with it, and then choose which of the products that you want to put live on this plan. So it gives you a chance to try things out and play around with them. Now, as well with your contacts, when you create your landing pages, you can add forms to the page to get people to sign up, and that is where your contacts are going to come from. So when someone signs up to get your free offer, like maybe you've got a free guide to training your dog if you're a dog trainer, or a free guide to make your dog stop barking like a crazy dog every time you leave the house. Like maybe that's your free guide. So you can create that as a PDF or a video training or whatever you would like to do. You can then have someone fill out a form and give you their email address in exchange for that information that you're going to share with them, and then they can become a contact and you can continue to email them. You are allowed to send up to, I think it's 1,250 emails a month, which is, sorry about that, 1,250 emails a month. And with that, that's like basically an email a week going out to all 250 people on your list. So if you have less people, you can send more emails, and you can set up sequences. So someone could sign up for that free dog training guide so that their dogs will not bark like crazy when they leave the house, and that may lead into another program that you have made, like the ultimate guide to a happy dog and a happy home. Let's pretend that is your course and that's what you're selling. So you could have people download that free guide or free training that you're going to offer them, and then over the course of a week or two, you could send out emails telling them all about this program that you have available, the course, and people can then register for it and buy. And all of that is possible at any time through Kajabi. But now that you've got this $69 a month plan, you don't need to stress about getting it all set up in the first 30 days if that feels a little bit overwhelming, because that is the usual length of a trial with Kajabi. So just wanted to let you know, because it is phenomenal. I'm so excited that this is now available for everyone, because it's a common thing that getting started, can take a little bit of time. Like sometimes you can be like, bam, bam, I'm going to get this done really quickly. And, often I try and do that myself, but sometimes life gets in the way and things just don't happen as quickly as you want, or you've got to learn some new skills. So this gives you a chance to get everything set up. And then once you outgrow the plan, once you've got more than 250 contacts, once you've created the product, you've made more than 50 sales, it's really easy. You can just upgrade to the next level and unlock all of those additional features that you get in Kajabi: 10,000 contacts, 3 products, 3 funnels, unlimited landing pages, pretty much unlimited anything else, like unlimited email sending, and then you can go higher and higher as you grow your business further. So Kajabi really is there to help you at every stage of the game. But now they've got this amazing plan for brand new creators. And of course, as well, if you want to sign up through me, I will be very grateful and will shower the love right back at you. We have an amazing bonus suite when you do sign up to Kajabi using our affiliate link. I want to say thank you for using our affiliate link, but also make sure that you are best supported to get set up. So you get a one-on-one call with me. You get 3 months of support. I host a weekly live Q&A call and also async support. If you're like, I don't like showing up on Zoom, no problem. We go offline as well. An amazing community, and you get our Quick Start 101 course, Kajabi Tiki Tour, like the whole how to get set up in Kajabi. It's all there, it's all ready for you, and it's all free when you sign up to Kajabi through us. So $69 a month plan. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this is going to be helpful for you, or if you're like, it's not enough, I want to go straight to the regular basic Kajabi plan. That's there for you as well. And also remember as well, you can save 20% on any Kajabi plan by going annual. So yeah. So many awesome things. Can you tell? Kajabi fangirl here, number one. And, I'm not even going to go into all the amazing things that Kajabi have released this year and are coming soon. I'm going to be doing that in our Cash In with Kajabi Open Week that is coming up in the first week of June. I will share registration details for that very soon. But if you want them, comment below and I'll send you a link so you can register for that free Kajabi experience. And we're going to go deeper into everything and all the amazing things that Kajabi has to offer. So theunicornadvisory.com/Kajabi, that is where you go. Let me come back here. So yeah, theunicornadvisory.com/Kajabi. Go there. That is where you can sign up for this deal, any of the Kajabi deals, and get our amazing Kajabi bonuses. Sue from the Unicorn Advisory. See you next time. Bye.